Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making fufu and chicken soup. So to start, we're going to use our chicken. We have fresh chicken amatoye, like a live fresh chicken. It's already washed and in the pot ready to go. And I'm going to go ahead and go over the ingredients. So here we have the onions, we have pepper, tomatoes, 10 tomatoes, and then we also have ginger, garlic, down there, and then some cube. All of that needs to go in. Don't forget your anise, your cloves, seasoned salt, and a normal salt. All is gonna go in there. So let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and season my chicken. I have some cubes and other seasoning in there. I'm gonna go ahead and drop in an onion in there. I'm gonna put in some tomatoes, and I'm gonna put in like a tablespoon of canned tomatoes. I'm gonna drop my hot peppers in there too. You can add as much as you want. And then on the other side, I'm gonna go ahead and blend some onions, ginger, garlic, and don't forget to put your anise and cloves in there. It's very important. So in here I have my blended onions. I'm gonna pour it over the meat, and don't forget to add your salt. You're gonna let it steam. We had a cheese here for flavor. You let it steam for like 10 minutes, and then we're gonna come back to it. Our someone is steaming, let me be on your fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the onions, the tomatoes, and the pepper and blend everything and pour it back into a sienna edge. So I added it in here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out my blender with water and pour it in back. You can add as much water as you want. Let me put and quite me chicken soup me put the fix water so na be ya bibia be ye bit that the dean. We're gonna go ahead and stir it and leave it on the fire for like 20 minutes on low heat, covered halfway, and let it cook. 15 minutes in, and you're gonna taste for salt. I tasted it's fine, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in some okra, because what's here I was saying what it. So let it cook for like an extra 10 minutes more, so all that foamy stuff, the foamy stuff on the top is all gone, and you can see like oil. That's when your soup is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover it. This is the end result, and trust me when I say it was so good. Thank you for staying with me, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Have a Merry Christmas.